Good day, my love. Today, I give you my heart, not just for the easy days, not for the perfect ones, but for the real ones, the missed ones, the forever ones.
Hi, love.
Yeah.
Actually, hindi ko alam kung paano sisimulan kung gawin ito. Kaya tapusin na. Anyways, eto na. Yung dati pinag-uusapan lang. Sobrang bilis lang talaga dito sa panahon.
Actually, LDR kasi kami. So, ano lang, parang most of the time, video calls, chats, ganun yung setup namin.
So, natanong ko na ba? Saan kayo nag-meet?
MOA, dito.
Nag-meet kami with common friend then here, Mall of Ocean.
Mahal ikaw ang uuwian.
Isa sa one of a kind woman na bihirain mo makilala, lalo sa generation ngayon. So typically, simpleng woman siya, but alam mo yung hinahanap ng isang lalaki. Simple na, kumbaga hindi mo kailangan na i-date mo kung saan-saan, ganito. Kung ano ka, tanggap ka. So, luckily na nakilala ko siya at my downside to mas ma-appreciate ko pa yung yung katangian niya. By help of God, then He gave me, found a girl, as a wonderful girl, amazing girl, yung katangian ng babae na nakikita ko dun sa woman na yun, at then si Alaya yung dumating.
Ano siya, pagka nakasama mo, medyo palabiro, ganyan. Ganun yung personality niya. Then, very generous. Siyempre, masaya. Dati na pagkwento lang namin. Then, parang biro-biroan, something ganyan. Ay, pakasal na tayo. So, hanggang, eto na. Dumating din yung time.
Ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Ikaw pa rin. Oh, ikaw pa rin. Ikaw lang ang uuwian.
Sobrang bilis lang talaga lumipas sa panahon. Yung dating may abs, ngayon may building. Joke. I mean, from counting the days that we'll get back home dito sa Pinas, to reading our vows to each other at this very moment. Despite the miles, the time apart, and all the way to continue to choose me every single day. That is something I will always treasure. Ang fun nilang isipin ng relationship natin. Mostly video calls, chats, pero somehow, it worked naturally. Distance never weakened what we have. It only made our love stronger, deeper, and more certain.
Dito ay umaga at dyan ay gabi. Ang oras natin ay magkasalungan. Aking hapunan ay umumagad. Ngunit kahit na anong mangyari, balang araw ay makakapiling ka.
Ang swerte mo at ako yung nakatuluyan mo. Besides sa pagiging gwapo, medyo macho pa din. Anyway, pero mas maswerte ako at ikaw yung nakatuluyan. Nasa sayo na ang lahat. For this moment, I know we are too far to a journey of life, but I will assure you, together we will put colors on our journey in life. I just want to end my vow with my favorite Bible verse, Isaiah 60:22. when the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen. Thank you.
Salungat aking hapunan ay umagahan. Ngunit
Thank you for making this relationship feel easy. For staying consistent. For making the time. Kahit magkaiba pa yung source natin. Thank you for loving me consistently. Kahit malayo ko. Thank you for working hard not just for yourself, but for our future. I promise that I will always choose this kind of love that we have. Calm, genuine, at walang limit. I promise to continue choosing you in every season of life. I love you.
Diyan ay gabi, ang oras natin ay magkasalungat. Aking hapunan ay umagahan. Ngunit kahit na anong mangyari, balang araw ay makakapiling ka.